Hey Aaron, thank you for clicking on my video. First, before I like to get started, I just want to say that I really enjoy doing what I do and I love to help small businesses grow. So with that, let's get started. Three things I want to talk about today. First, content, second, backlinks, and third, citations. And basically this site right here. Let's start with this. I notice your ASC services are here, and we're going to talk a little bit about that. But my handyman is here, and I noticed they have a website, and you do not. So when you pull up their website, back up a bit. There we go. All right. So when we want to look for content, Google loves 1,500 to 2,000 words in the front page. So let's see how much these ones have. We'll go to word counter and clear this out. Paste and looks like they have 2003 keywords, which Google loves that content. That's why they're up there. I mean, we can blow these guys out of the water with content. All we have to do is add another couple, 10 words, and we'll be good to go in the content. Also with content, you want to check to make sure. Let's see. You want to make sure that the images are saved properly. And this one is not. So with that being said, if you saved it properly, then you'd have more going. So more going to to your site. So anyway, let's move to backlinks and see how backlinks work. So basically, what backlinks are, they're not all backlinks are created equal. Uh, they usually they link back to other pages so they can get linked back to yours. So there's this tool that we use. It's called Ahrefs, and when we plug in this site, copy. Let's plug in this site real quick. All right, now my handyman Farmington. They have 14 backlinks. Now that's pretty easy. 3 organic words. I can beat that with 4. No problem. So basically, we want to look for these. That's the trust and the strength of the site right here. We pretty much want to look at keywords. So let's go to keywords and backlinks, and let's see what they got. They got 3 of them. Okay, so all I have to do is add 4 or 5 or 6, and we can be right up there with them. Okay, the next thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, citations are pretty much get you in the map pack up here, right here. So they kind of help you rank up here, as you can see, you're here, but you don't have a website. So organically, you'd want to be up here without having to be in Angie's and all that stuff. So um, anyway, that's about all I have for you, Aaron. This is free information. You could do with it as you want, uh, as you please. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to speaking with you. If you feel free to have somebody like me do this for you, my number is 505 331 7995. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.